Hi ladies, Renee here with another hair tutorial. So today we're going to be doing a hot oil treatment. Let's get started. Let's begin with everything that you're going to need. You're going to be needing a squirt bottle, some oil, and some warm water. I'm using coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, and marula oil. I've listed below all the benefits of each oil, so don't you worry. So I use 2 teaspoons of coconut oil, and I'm making sure to warm it to make sure I know how much oil I'm putting in. Then I'm using 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Next, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. And lastly, 15 drops of marula oil. And now we're going to warm that up in the cup of hot water. All right, time to apply your oil. Now you're going to cover everything. You're going to cover your floor, your sink, your clothes, because oil can get messy. That's why I'm using a squirt bottle. But if you don't have one, don't worry. I section my hair into 4 sections, as you may or may not know, to make it more manageable. Yes, I was having a little trouble with that bottle, okay? That bottle was trying to come for me in this video. All right, so now we're going to squirt the oil in your hair, and you want to coat your hair. You want to coat the roots and your hair strands. Enjoy this. This is like a spa day. After you finish coating all the your hair, you're going to cover your hair with a plastic cap, a plastic bag, whatever you have on hand. And you're going to leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play.
So we're going to wash that hair. You're going to wash it twice. You want to make sure there is no more oily residue left on your hair. Okay, so we're not rubbing the hair when we're removing the water. We want to just slowly pull the hair and remove all the water. And you're doing your full routine. So you're deep conditioning. You're doing everything after this. You don't just wash and go. This is not a wash and go. And you're using a t-shirt to dry to reduce any friction or damage. And my hair is already looking much more shiny, and as you can see, it's much more manageable. I can actually like move it around. And please understand, I'm like 3 months post in this video. I'm just feeling myself, don't mind me. I told y'all I was gonna give you all my secrets. Look at that. I had to pick up hair off the floor trying to get you guys, that hair into a ball so I can show y'all. I'm telling you, there is no trickery. I'm giving you all my tea. Look at the shine and the movements. You know what I mean? All right, this is it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in a couple days.